Anywhere you there, I go there. I said it, Coco, my one and only. If you car you want, I go hustle. Baby, take my heart, baby, carry go. If you think I go leave you, God forbid, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a video for you guys, and it's just a quick video, just a quick update of what I've been up to. So today people have been asking me a lot of questions, so I'm here to answer you guys. And I'm sorry it took a while for us to really get into it, so yes, let's get right into the video. So question number one. Up to basically I've been up to working hard. I've got 2 jobs and it's not easy. It's being a support worker, it's not easy at all. So there's a lot of requirements. You've got to drive from one place to another. There's a whole lot of things that I do, like team leading. You tell me about it. How stressful. Yeah, so that's what I've been focusing on for lately. So I've been focusing on work. I've been working a lot. I've been working a lot. So yeah, and I've got family, obviously my mom, my little brother to look after as well. You know, because I'm the first child, so gotta be there for my mama. Yes, moving forward, that's what I've been up to, and also chasing after my school. So I'm back in college again. For those of you that don't know, I've started studying now, my nursing degree. So yeah, I'm so excited. I've been dreaming, well, not dreaming, I've been thinking about it, I've been dreaming about it, everything. I've been really stressing to just get back to school, and it's been a year and a half now, so I thank God that it just started. So yeah, it's a long story for another day, the reason why I didn't go straight away to university. So moving forward, consistent, like I just said before. It's not like I didn't have the equipment, so I didn't have the, well, I don't basically precisely have the time because I've been working so much. And for every 2 weeks I work about like every 2 weeks I probably do about 70 and above hours of work. Can you imagine? Do I have time for myself? No. So definitely I don't have time for you guys as well, and I'm sorry to say. So yeah, so you have a lot of distraction around. Yeah, gotta go and then I anyways, sorry, that was my cousin. And yes, so moving forward, that's the reason why I haven't been consistent. So yeah, yes, so what service do you provide? So what service do I provide? I do definitely make wigs, and I do makeup, and I sell hair extensions as well. Yeah, but today I'm rocking my natural hair, so yeah, I'll leave the video of what sort of hairs that I do sell for another time, or I'll leave the hair part for another time. Yeah, so yeah, and I also do braiding, makeup, etc. For my YouTube videos, definitely I'll probably be installing, you know, my YouTube video is not precisely dedicated for makeup only. It's my whole general things that I do, basically for business wise, my lifestyle, and basically me. Yep. So yeah, what are your goals? My very first goal is focusing on God, because he's the creator, and he's the one that knows it all. In right now, at this point of my life, my goals are basically this year, let's start with that. This year, basically my goals are, one of my goals were to like be consistent, obviously, with you guys, and also have to start studying and have jobs, and I thank God. And I have 2 jobs, and I have also, you know, YouTube life, you guys, family, you know, and business and studying, all that, etc. A lot of things. So yeah, but I thank God now I've already achieved the fact that I already have jobs, and I also have school. I started school, and now time for you guys. So how do I aim to improve my business? Is basically being consistent on my media, promoting a lot like I used to, even though there's so much going on at the moment. But trust me, at this time, every time or every minute, every time that I do have in between, I'm gonna make a video and post it up and just keep giving you guys the best and updates and things like that. But don't hope, I'm not promising, but don't hope for too much from me. So whenever I have the time, I'll definitely make a video for you guys. Yeah, trust me, I want to be here as much as you guys want to see me. Okay, so yeah. The step that I'm putting in place to improve my business is basically posting and you know, promoting, like I said before, and just, you know, definitely doing some shoots, like video shooting or photo shoots, obviously, you know, boost my Instagram, my Facebook, Snapchat, just doing short videos for you guys regardless of where I am. Well, try to do videos for you guys and post it at least 1 video a week. Yeah, that's, yeah. So who are you targeting in the market? People that I am targeting in the markets concerning my business is basically, if you want to buy hair and you want good quality stuff, you've got to spend that money, you know. That's what makes you Infinity Beauty part of the team. So you've got to spend, you know. And the funny thing is, or the amazing thing is, your girl here got you covered, because I do have like an afterpay sort of like thing where you pay at least half of the money or a deposit of it, and then you take the hair with you. But that offer, that service is only offered by people that I actually know. So let me make this clear: only people that I know and they are really close to me, because some of you guys, I don't really know you guys, and definitely I didn't have any insurance to really cover all the damage. And yeah, so basically, just to stay safe, I'll basically only people that I know. Yeah, so if I don't know you, you can pay the money slowly, then maybe a few $100s, or like as in $50 or $80 left, then you can actually take the hair and then pay me maybe the following fortnight or the following 2 weeks, pay me the rest. Or you give me the money, you'll be putting it in my account, everything, then I ship the hair out to you. And for now, shipping strictly within Australia, strictly at the moment, until the business move forward, and then we're looking at international. That's one of the goals for Infinity Beauty. So you guys stay tuned. So this is the reason why it's a short and quick video for you guys, and I hope you guys like it, and I love you guys. Stay blessed. And one more thing, don't forget to focus on God. Whatever you're aiming for, if you are trying to open your business, just a piece of advice: just stay positive. Don't be pressured by anyone. Yes, there's a lot of competition around, but hey, you know, you've got to do what you have to do. Don't be pressured by anyone. Do it at your own pace, at your own time, and know that the race, sometimes you can move forward faster than others, but sometimes it's better you take a deep breath and really take your time and really do it the right way. That's just an advice. And thank you guys for watching my video. Mwah. Love ya.